Hello student class 8 once again. I am Sudi and welcome back to my video, and in today's video I will show you the multiplication of polynomials, means multiplication of the algebraic expressions which are monomial, not polynomial, monomials. So the given questions you see here, find the product of uh, 4 and 7p minus 4p and 7p. So each of them are monomial. So how we multiply them? Let us see. It's very simple. That you have to apply those idea of uh, that power and exponents here. Okay, when we multiply the same identical terms, what happened to the powers or exponent that we have to apply here in this multiplication of the algebraic expressions? Mostly here we do with the monomials. Okay, so let us start this exercise 9.2 with this question number 1, where given questions are 4, the terms are 4 and 7p. Okay, so let us see what we will do in multiplying of these two monomials. See, now in the next step you have to write like this, 4 into 7p. So here what we have to do is that we just multiply the numericals. We just multiply the numericals, and numerical means the coefficients. Okay, so 4 7 are how much? 4 7 are yeah, 28. So the answer is 28, means multiplication of 4 and 7 is 28. And just write down the p here, the laterals. P is collateral, or letters are collaterals in the algebraic expression. Okay, so 28p is the answer of this multiplication of the monomials here in question number 1. And next, in row number 2, you see equal to, what we have to do is let us multiply uh, 4 minus 4 and 7 here. Then another, you see, you will get here p into p here. So what happened here, you will get again 28, but what happened, since one of the number is minus, so 28, the product will be minus. Okay, minus into minus is minus. Okay, I will take the minus sign. Okay? If one of the number is minus in multiplication, then the answer or the product will be minus, means negative. Okay, then here in this case of these two letters, you will find here both are having same letter as p, p. So p and p are multiplying. So the same terms are multiplying here. You just remember of the rules of the power and exponents. If you multiply the same base, then their power is to be 8. So they are having one power. So the power will become 1 plus 1 2. So p will become p to the power 2. So p square is p square. So minus 28 p square is the answer of this question number 2, and the rest is to try it. Okay, clear? Please try to put yourself in practice and try to know how to multiply this monomials. Okay. Then next, let us go to the next question. Question number 2. Find the area of the rectangles with their length and breadth of this given here. So the statement here is not complete, but I just make it short, so you will find complete message of the statements given there in the questions. But this is the concept or the idea of the statements given in the question number 2. Find the area of the rectangles. We know that what is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So length and breadth are given here in this expressions as algebraic expression. So more questions are there, more expressions are there. So you try the rest. I am going to show you these two. Okay. So you see, since P and Q are given in this pair, in this group, so then that means length is P and breadth is Q. Okay. So we know that area of rectangle is area of rectangle equal to L into B. Into rectangle, then what's the length here? P. So P into Q. That means PQ. So the answer is PQ. Just since why there is no any power like this, because one it's only that we are multiplying. Okay, so no any other repeating or no any other same terms are multiplying. Only single terms are multiplying here. So we don't need to give any power here. So just we multiply P and Q, so PQ. Okay, and next here this area of the rectangle, this statement or this expression no need to give. Okay, this only for your understanding only. So next what we have to do, length into breadth. So what is the length? Length is 20x square and the bracket is 5y square, isn't it? So what you have to do is that just multiply this 20x square into 5y square. That means 20 and the 5. How much we get here? 25 is hundreds. I mean 25 is 100. So 100 and x square, y square, just do. Then there's no or nothing to do in a changes of this network. So just write x square y square. Okay, 20 into 5 is 100, isn't it? So 100 x square y square is the area of the. Therefore, it is the area of the rectangle. Or better you put area of the rectangle. That's better. Okay, so that you don't repeat again in the last. Okay, there is the area of the rectangle. So this is the answer of this question number 2 and question number 1 here. So any doubts you have here, you can just give a message to my personal WhatsApp, and also you please try the rest of the questions in this one question. Okay, and now let us go to the next question, question number 3. So hello student, now the next question is question number 3. So question number 3 is a kind of tabular question, means it's given in a tabular form, in table, okay. And examples are also given with the, it's very simple, just to multiply one column and one row, okay. Means a number from the column and number from the row, okay. Just see the questions is very simple, so I want to give them as your homework, and please do that and please send it in the group also. Okay, clear? Try it. If you have any corrections to be done, I will make you in the personal. Don't worry for that. Just submit your assignment. Okay, in the group. Try it. Question number 3, and let's go to question number 4. And question number 4 is asking you to find out the volume of the rectangle boxes of length, breadth, and height. You know what is the volume? The volume is actually the volume of this rectangle. So this cuboid or cube. Okay. Volume of the cube or cuboid, we know that the volume is to find out with the formula that is length into breadth into height. So it is given here length, breadth, and height. And here you see each question number 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. 2 I am going to show you. In question number 1, you get here the numbers are, or the expressions are 5a, 3a square, 4a, 4, a power 4. Okay, means 7, 8 power 4. Now these are the their dimensions, length, breadth, and height. Okay, length, breadth, and height in the books. In each of the questions, given three informations or three numbers are given there. These 3 numbers are the length, breadth, and height. And we know that the volume is length into breadth into height. So here, length will be 5a, into breadth will be 3a square, and height will be 7a4. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to multiply all this. They are the monomers. Single expressions are there, and they are the monomers. So we are going to multiply this monomers since as per the given questions. Now, what we have to do is that let us multiply in such a way: 5 into 3 into 7. Okay, in one way, and another way, a into a square into a4. Now, I will show you this multiplication first here. So, 7 5 is 35. 7 5 is 35. Then 35 3, how much you get here? 35 3, you will get here 105. So we are getting here the product of this number as 105. 105 is the product. Then what happened to the this one laterals, the lateral parts. The lateral part you see here, a into a square into a4. So what happened? All the base are same. Means the letters are same. So what happened? The same letters are multiplied. Just remember that the rules and the property of the power and exponents. So if we multiply in power and exponent, if we multiply same base, their power will be adding, isn't it? So what you have to do, you just write 1. not all these three. One is out of these three, right? Only one A here, and plus all the powers. Power here 4, 4 plus 2, 6. One more is here as power. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Means a to the power 7. So a to the power 7. So this is the volume of the rectangular box. Okay, as per the given questions or given expression. Next, number 2, you know that volume is L into B into X. L length into breadth into height, isn't it? Then implies that or equal to length will be x, y, okay, into breadth will be twice x square, y into 2xy squared. So what we have to do, see, this is the little expanding way of showing, or this is the extending the steps. But now I want to sort here, just multiplying the coefficients, means the numbers. 2 2s are 4. Here is 1, but for 1 is 4. I'm going to consider much here where there is no number, because always you have to remember that where there is no number, there is more or less 1 is the coefficient. 1 is the coefficient. Okay. Now you see here, my dear student. Now, when we multiply the coefficient, we get 4 here. Then the latter parts you see x squared, x. How many x are there? 3x are there, and their powers are 2, 1, 1, 1. So we have to add 2 plus 1 plus 1. That means 2, 3, 4. X to the power 4. Okay. Then y. How many y's are there? 1, 2, 3 y's are there. Their powers are again 2, 1, 1. Same only. So 4. So 4x to the power 4, y to the power 4. This is the volume or answer of your number 3 here. 2 and 4 is do yourself as your practice and try to know it. Okay. If you have any doubt, please you can put a message in my personal number and we can discuss on it further. So this is how to solve this problem here in question number 4 here. So now let's go to question number 5. Okay. So my dear student, here we have question number 5, and question number 5 is asking to obtain the product. We just multiply the given monomials. So these are the given monomials in this question number 1, Roman 1, and Roman 3. Some other are there, so I'm going to leave that for you to practice, okay, in your study hour, and try to maintain your own records or notes of it. Okay, clear of yourself. And in the course of time, you can solve to for any corrections. Okay, now let's see here. In Roman number 1, there are 3 expressions. 3 expressions are given. This comma is indicating that there are three expressions. First expression is xy. So we have to multiply here equal to xy into yz into zx. Now first of all x. How many x are there? Only one x. Sorry, 2x are there. 2x means x to the power 2. Okay, so 1 power there, so 1 plus 1, 2 power over here, and y. How many y's are there? 2 y's are there, so 2 y's means y squared. We multiply, okay. And z. How many z's are there? 2 z's are multiplying them z squared. So this is the product of the given expressions. Okay, then next here we are going to multiply 2 into 4y into 8y squared into 16 1. Now what we have to do is there, we have to multiply all the coefficients like this, as for I did 2 into 4 into 8 into 16. Okay, then here the letters y into y squared into y cubed. So it is not compulsory that you solve this way, but you can just multiply directly all the numericals, or we say that is the coefficient. The coefficient. Multiply all the coefficients. Now let us see by multiplying this all the coefficients, how much we are getting here. 2 was 8 is 64, and 64, 16. 64, 16. 6 was 4, 3 and 6 is 36, 38. 2 here, 4 and 6 here, then we come here 4, 2, 1, 7 here. got here 1024 as the product of the given. Okay, clear. Then here about the literal parts or letter parts. Okay, see y three all are y. So take no one, but their powers are different. So their powers is to be added when we multiply them. Okay, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is going to be the answer or product of this. So like this, we will just continue with the other questions. As you practice, we will study hour and just can put your doubts if you have any. Okay, clear in my question number. So these are the questions of the exercise 9.2. Now let us go to the next exercise 9.3. Okay. Hello, my dear student. Next we have exercise 9.3, and 9.3 is the multiplication of monomial by polynomial. This one expression and one expression we multiply with some other more expressions. That is more expressions polynomial. You can see here very clearly in this question that 4p and q plus r. Q plus r is the expressions where there are uh, some more expressions or some more terms are, isn't it? So this when it is one, two or three more, then it's called polynomial. Okay, clear, but it is binomial. Let it be, doesn't matter. But here we are going to multiply monomial and polynomials. But polynomial here is binomial. Binomial is where there are two expressions. I mean where there are two terms. Okay, where there are two terms. Okay, clear. So now next step, what we have to do in the solution. Let us keep this 4p into in the bracket the polynomial here q plus r. So next step, what you should see is that 4p is multiplied with q plus sign will come here. Again 4p will multiply with r. This is a very important step to be remembered to know. Once again, by the multiplication of monomial and polynomial is saying that this monomial is to be multiplied again and again with the terms of the polynomials. The term here in the monomial is going to be multiplied again and again with the terms in the polynomials. That's why 4p into q again 4p into r. And this plus sign will be introduced. And we should keep this in the bracket for some time so that it is clear to us. Okay. Next, what we are going to do is that in this first expression you see here is 4p into q. 4p into q means 4pq. Then plus will come here, and here in this 4p into r, that means 4pr. So this is the answer. Once plus is there, we cannot do anything because here is PQ, here is BR. The laterals are different, and these two terms are unlike terms. Then we cannot do any operation unlike terms of addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction में हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता है if the terms are unlike terms. We will keep the answer as it is. Okay, so this is the answer. Now let us go to the next. See here in the solution of this one number 3. See, sometimes the questions are given like this. So first they give the monomial, but here they give the polynomial first. So polynomial and now monomial. So don't worry for that. Even though also you just please keep this polynomial in the bracket and multiply 7a squared b squared. For your convenience, you keep this first, doesn't matter. Okay, so that means you see here next step what we have to do. This 7a squared, the monomial is going to multiply with its term in the polynomials. How many terms are there? Two terms are there. One is a and another is b, isn't it? So into b. Put this as one expression, or one set here. Then plus I put here. In bracket again, bring this 7a squared b squared once again and multiply with another terms of the polynomial. That is b, isn't it? then let us see how much we are getting here. The first one we are getting here 7a square. B square plus b. That is b cube. B3. B power will be 3 because there is 2 and plus 1, isn't it? B power will be 3. Now plus. Then next multiplication you see 7a square 7a square b square into b, isn't it? Yes. Just hold on. Here I make a mistake here. This is not b, one should be a. Okay, a. So a will become cube here, b will become s, b square. But here, what we did here will be here. That is 7a square will be as it is, but b and b square and 1b is b cube. That is. So this is the answer of the Roman geometry. A cube b square plus 7a square b cube. So this is the answer of the multiplication of the monomial by polynomial. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do is that just put the polynomial in the bracket for some time and multiply the terms in the polynomials, the terms in the polynomials should be multiplied again and again by the monomial. Okay. So the rest of the questions, please you practice yourself and try by looking at these steps. Very simple. Once again, you see here, this is polynomial, this is monomial. So monomial is multiplying the terms of the polynomial again and again. You see here 7a square b square into a plus again 7a square b square into b. Like this. Okay, so let us do it in system. Okay, then let us go to the next question number 2. And before that, my dear student, question number 2 is a tabular form, and here also just you have to multiply only the first term, second term, like this. Okay, clear? I mean the first expression and second expression. Okay, so first expression, second expression, then whatever there in the expressions, first one what is there, the second one what is there, and just multiply and see. Okay, just do some as example to test yourself and show me. Okay, if you have any difficulties, then I will help you. Okay, so 2 I'm looking for. There is the table form of these questions only. So just to complete the table. Okay, so let us go to question number 3. Hello, my dear student. Next question is question number 3, and question number 3 also just under this lesson only. Multiplication of monomial by polynomials. Monomial by polynomials. Okay. So, but here that much is not given in question number 3. Okay, let it be. But what is the expressions and multiplication that we have to see? We have to multiply the given expression. So here the given expression you see a square into 2a to the power 22 and into 4a to the power 26, isn't it? So what we have to do is that first of all, we have to multiply all the numericals. I mean all the coefficients. These are not coefficients, they are the power of the radicals. Okay, clear? They are the degree of the expressions. The power is called the degree of the expression. Okay. So now in the solution, what we have to do is that just multiply first all the coefficients. Coefficient here 4, here 2, here 1. 4 2 is 8, 8 minus 8. 8 will be 8. And next one we have to do is that we have to multiply the letters a into, that is a into 8 is 1 to 2 into 8 is 26. So what happens next 8, we know that we get 8 by multiplying the coefficient, isn't it? 8, all are same, means the base is same, so the power should be n, isn't it? Now take 1a and add all the power. 26 plus 22 minus 48, 48 plus 1, 49. 8a to the power 49 is the answer of the multiplication of Roman 1. Multiplication of the expression in Roman 1. Okay. Then Roman 2. Roman 2 you see here, very simple Roman 2. Now what we have to do first of all is that just lay out this the coefficients 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10. Okay, let us do separately to understand what here. And on the other side, let us multiply xy into x squared y squared, the latter part. Okay. Just this is not required to show, but this for your understanding only. And now what we have to do in this bracket, you see here, this one cancel. 2 1 is 2, 2 5. Okay, isn't it? 3 is 9. So the numerators 1 into minus 2 minus 3 by 5. You can hear the multiplication of the coefficient of the 1, 2. You can hear minus 3 by 5. Okay, minus 3 by 5. And here the letter parts x and x, but this x is having power 2, so 2 plus 1, 3 x cubed. Then this 1y and y square, then this y cubed. So this is going to be the answer or solution of the given expressions when we multiply. Okay, so this is the answer for these two questions, number 1 and 2, and 3, 4 you can try yourself. Okay, very easy. Now let's go to the next question. Hello dear student, now next question is question number 4, and question number 4 is asking you to simplify, and we have to simplify this expression and we have to find the value. Okay, find the value of x and find the value of the expression, I mean the answer what we get by applying or by writing the value of x as 3 as x as 3 in Roman 1 and next x as 1 by 2. So 2 times we have to find out the values for this expression a here. So this expression we are going to simplify here first. So simplify means, you see my dear student, 3x, just write the equation first. 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. My dear student, you see here, but just you keep this plus 3 for some time. But this 3x and this polynomial in the bracket are having many things to do, something to do with this polynomial 3x. 3x और ये 4x minus 5 वो लोग को बीच में कुछ फंक्शन तो करना चाहिए. Okay, क्या फंक्शन है? Multiplication. We have to multiply. Just remember the multiplication of monomial and polynomial. Okay, clear? Now see here, we have to multiply 3x with 4x again, 3x with minus 1. That means equal to 3 4s are 12, x into x squared, minus 3x and minus 5 means minus 15x. 3 5 to 15x. Okay, and this plus 3 will be as this plus 3. Okay, then next what we have to do, you see here 12x square minus 15x, x are whatever this plus or minus operation. So what happened? They are unlike terms because degree are different. One is having 2 as a power, one is having 1 as a power. So we cannot do anything. So this here we finish the simplification. Simplification here we finished. Now what we have to do is that we have to find out the value of these expressions by applying x equal to 3. So x is around 3. We have to replace x with 3 and we will see what's the value. Okay, yeah. Then implies that, or we know that, let's say we know that as x is equal to 2, as x is equal to 3, then implies that 12x square means x, 2x are multiplying. That means 3 into 3. To take 3, isn't it? Yes, we have to take x equal to 3. So 2x will be there, 2, 3 multiply. Minus 15 into x is 3, isn't it? Yes, 3. Plus 3. Now we are going to finish the expression. What is the expression given here? Or what is the function here in the expression? Let's see. 12 into 3 into 3. That means how much you see here? 9, 12, 9. 9 2 is 18, 1 8, 9. Then this one we are getting here. Yes. 1 we are getting here. 108 minus 15 3 how much? 15 3 I think it is 45. Yes, 45. 45 plus 3. Now what we have to do is that, see, Now it's a very simple form. This was simplified. Simple form means just remember of the integers. Plus minus numbers, isn't it? So this is positive number 3, positive number 108, plus this 2 plus. You got here 111, isn't it? Minus 45. What to do, you know, isn't it? And how much we are getting here? Minus 45 from 111, 45. Now you got here 6. Now you get here 66. Yeah, 66. Yes, you got here 66. The answer is 66. Okay, like this. And then one more value. This is a value when we take x equal to 3. Now again they are asking to take x equal to 1. So in Roman 2, in solution 2, see the expression will be same and we get the simplification. The simplifying simplify. I simplify how much we are getting here? We are getting here 12x squared minus 5x plus 3. Simplify. We have simplified this expression and we get it here as 12x squared minus 15x plus 3. Isn't it? We get here. Isn't it? So take this simplified expression plus here. Then you implies the value of x here in Roman 2, the value of x is x equal to 1 by 2. Then you see here implies that 12 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, minus 15 into 1 by 2. Okay, plus 3. Now what we are going to do is here, my student. This 2 will cancel 6. Again, this can be cancelled 3. Right? Yes. Then we get here 3 minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Now next step, let us see what we will do in the next step. Clear? So my dear friend, now we have this 3 minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Now see here carefully, don't confuse. 3 minus 15 and this 1 by 2 we have to multiply. That means we are getting here minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Now this is expressions where we have to do the addition or subtraction with some fractional numbers and all numbers. Right? So what we have to do with the numbers with the fractional numbers in subtraction and addition. Okay. So next step I'll show you here. Next step what we have to do is we have to take the LCM. LCM will be 2, isn't it? Yes. Here this 3 will become 6. Means 2 3s are 6, isn't it? Minus 15. Again this also will become 6 plus 6. After taking the LCM, isn't it? LCM is 2. So then how much we are getting here? We get here 12. 6 plus 6. This plus 6 plus 6, 12. Minus 15 by 2. Isn't it 12? Then we are getting here minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 is the answer of this simplification after we apply or after we replace x by 1 by 2. Okay, it is simplified. Understand? So if you have any doubt, please tell me. Here, once again, in Roman 1, we have simplified this expression and we get here 12x squared minus 15x plus 3. Isn't it? So that we take same here and then we replace x by 1 by 2. As x equal to 1 by 2, then we have to rewrite the x as 1 by 2. So here x squared means 2x are there, isn't it? So x into x means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Isn't it? So if we cancel, then we get here only 3. That's 3. Minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Okay. Now this 15 into 1 by 2 will become 15 by 2. 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Then we take the LCM. LCM, after taking LCM, we are getting the 3 as 6, here also 6. Because we have to multiply, isn't it? You know that what is the process there of taking the LCM that we are doing here. Okay. Then 6 and 6, 12 we are getting here, then minus 15. Okay, then plus 12 and minus 15, you know that we have to subtract. We are getting 3. 3 will get minus. 3 will be minus because minus 15 is having the larger value. So we have to take the sign of the bigger number, that's minus. So minus 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 4. A and B is also same. The same process only, in the same method only. So please follow this and try this question B. Okay, I'm leaving here. Now let's go to the question. Now, hello student. Next we have question number 5. In question number 5, there are two types of questions are there, one A and subtract. In A also two are there. I'm showing one, another will have. And subtract also two are there. I'm showing one here, another will have. Okay. So what we'll do here, step by step, I'll show you. First of all, to add this expression here. Okay. See, in first expression, it is P into P minus Q into. Okay, whenever you find the outside the bracket, number is there, then you must remember they have to multiply. So this is the multiplication of the monomial bipolar units. Okay, here all in all the cases. Now next step in the solution. What we have to do is that multiply this first. Okay, multiply this one first. Then we are getting here p square minus pq first one. Okay, bracket. No bracket, comma. Okay. Then q square minus qr. Then r square minus rp or pr. RP or PR, doesn't matter, same. Okay. So like this we are getting as the expression, and now we are going to add this. So for adding, what I would like to tell you is that just replace this with plus like this. Okay. Now next step, what we are going to do is that yeah. See, just replace the comma with the plus n also with the plus, because 8 we have to add, isn't it? So by adding, you see here, is there any like terms are there? P square, PQ, Q square, R square, RP. So nothing is there. So I think here the solution is here. Okay. So now you see here. Now you see here, since all are unlike terms and the operations are plus and minus or subtraction and addition, so we cannot do anything. Okay, clear. Even though they have some p power is 1, p power is 2. So when the degree are different in subtraction and addition, we cannot do anything. Okay, we'll just leave it. So the answer is, but one thing we have to do, we have to rearrange something like PQR. So you just rearrange like this with more degree, which are having more degree. Okay, which are having power p square, then plus q square, then plus r square, then minus pq, then minus qr, then minus rb or pr, and then here we finished. Like this one. Nothing. Just be honest. Those who are having the greater degree, okay, ours is called degree. Our is called degree in algebraic analysis. Those are having greater degree, put them in front first. Okay, those without the less degree, not without less degree. Okay, then next also first we have to simplify the things. We have to do the operation first. So what is the next question? Next question is subtract this expression from this expression. So now what we have to do is that first of all, in solution, just simplify it. 3l into l means 3l squared minus 4 into 3, 12. Okay, ln. Then plus 3 into 5, 15 ln. From where? From this expression. So this also we have to simplify this first. 4 into n means 40 ln. Then minus 4 3 is 12 ln. Then plus 4 2 is 8 l square. So you are going to subtract this expression, the first polynomial from this polynomial. We get two polynomials here, isn't it? So this polynomial is going to subtract from the last one. So we have to write this first here. So subtraction is subtraction, what we have to do? Let us see. So then let's write this 4 minus 12 lm plus 8l square. Now from this, okay, from this we are going to write in the column where their terms are l square, 3l square, right here. 3 is 3l square plus, so 3l square we are going to write this, isn't it? Then ln is here, so write this 3l here. So minus, we have so minus here, so minus 12 ln, isn't it? Then ln, here 40 ln and here is 40 ls, actually 15 ln, so plus 15 ln. Okay, but what I want to subtract this in this second expression or second polynomial, second row, the polynomials in second row, their sign will be just in the subtraction. In the subtraction, remember that their sign will be just. This will become minus. Okay, this will become plus. This will become minus. This will become minus. This will become plus. This will become minus. Okay, if it become minus, this plus, this minus, what will do? You have to subtract 40 and 15. If you subtract 15 from the 40, how much you are getting? I think you are getting 25. Yes, 25. 25 will be plus because 40 is greater, isn't it? 25 ln. Then here this minus will become plus. So plus minus. Yes, plus 12 minus 12. So cancel. We can cancel these two. Nothing we get 0, isn't it? Then next, what we are getting here, see this minus here now, isn't it? So minus plus 3l square will become minus l square, minus 3l square. So minus 3l square and plus 8l square will be subtracted, isn't it? By subtraction, we are getting here 5l square. 5l square. So 5l square will be plus. Why? Because 8 is greater, plus 8 is greater. Means plus sign is greater. The value of positive is larger, so we will take the sign of the larger value of greater value plus. Now the answer is, that is, okay, 25 ln plus 5l square. So this will be the answer. Okay. Yes, this will be the answer, my dear student. And one more thing you remember, okay, is remember that when there is degree, more degree, just try to write this first. Isn't it? Then plus 25 ln. So this is the answer. Just rearrange. Doesn't matter if you don't rearrange also, the answer will be correct. But it is better that you rearrange first, which are having more degree. No problem. Okay, so this is the answer for this question number 5, and some more questions are there on each area. So please try yourself. Okay, so better you try is better for you, isn't it? The more you try is better for you to learn and understand. So in your try, if you have any difficulties to understand, please kindly tell me in any way, okay, whether messaging or having some Zoom calls in some free time, okay? Hello, my dear student. Now, here is the answer, okay? So please go through this and try to do the other questions of the same category accuracy, okay? And with this exercise 9.3 of the sources of exercise 9.3, so we come to the end of today's sessions. So with this, let us end this class. Okay, so we'll meet again in the next video. Till then, have a nice day, and thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.